we'll guide you through how to host a project on Vercel, making your deployment process smooth and efficient. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to vercel.com. You'll need to log in or create an account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Vercel dashboard. Look for the New Project button and give it a click. This will take you to a page where you can import your existing project from a Git repository. Connect your GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket account to Vercel if you haven't done so yet. After connecting, you should see a list of your repositories. Choose the repository you want to deploy. Next, Vercel will guide you through the configuration process. You can select which branch you want to deploy, and also make any necessary project settings adjustments. Vercel automatically detects popular frameworks like next.js, React, or Vue. If your project uses one of these, Vercel will set up the optimal build settings for you. Once you've reviewed the settings, click on the Deploy button. Vercel will start the deployment process, where it builds and optimizes your project for the web. This usually takes a few minutes, depending on the size of your project. Once the deployment is finished, Vercel will provide you with a live URL where your project is hosted. You can share this link or use it for further testing. Remember, Vercel also supports automatic deployments for every push to your connected branch, so you can continue working on your project, and it will automatically stay up to date. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.